Hi, lovely. Welcome back again. I'm your girl, Khadijat Ahmed. If you are seeing me for the first time, you are highly welcome. Guys, let's tie this alatica together. Sorry, that is the name I know how to call it. Yes, look at it. Always remember to fold your 2 inches in whenever you are tying your head wrap. Yeah, the measurement of this one is 70/30. Look at the 30% goes in while the 70% come up. Look at, yes, because I'm going to work on that 70% lap. Look at the way I brought the 70% out. Yes, and I'm going to trace the 2 inches, sorry, I fold in. Look at, and I bring it up. Yes, just watch my hand and see. Yes, look at it. I make sure that the V at that center form very well, and I'm going to use pin to secure that lap. Yes, just keep watching. See the way I'm picking the pleat. Look at, because I want the pleat to form fan. Yeah, just watch the way I'm picking the pleat. I did not pick straight. Look at, see the way I'm picking it. Yeah, I push the excess out in, sorry, I push that excess in. Yes, look at, I adjust the pleat. Yes, and I'm going to secure it with pin. Watch it and see the way I fetch that side to hold the pin down. Yes, so that the fan can stay firm. Look at, I secure it with 2 pin. You can secure it with many pin as you want. Yes, look at, I'm going to secure my 30% there. Yes, look at the way I'm going to secure it. Yes, I pack it and I use pin to hold it down. Look at, and I adjust the back and hold down with pin, or adjust the back and hold down with pin. Look at, I push my gele back for the beauty. Yes, look at, very simple, quick and easy to tie. Look at this. I move back for you to see the beauty. Look at it. So simple and easy to tie. Yes, here is the second one. Always remember to fold your 2 inches in. The measurement is still 70/30. Look at the way I place it. Yes, I adjust. I'm going to use my neck to hold the 30% down. Look at, and I'll still bring the 70% up. I trace the 2 inches I folded in and I bring it up. Look at, always remember to give gap to your gele. Look at, yes, and I'm going to secure it with pin. Look at it. I secure that one with pin. Yes, and I'm going to pick few. If you are a learner like me, always remember to pick your pleat from the center so that you will not have problem. Look at, yes, I pick from the center and I trace it down. Look at, yes, I pick about 4 pleats there. Look at, yes, I pick about 4 pleats. Yes, I bring the excess out. I use my neck to hold it down. Yes, so that I can continue with my pleat. Yeah, just watch the way I'm picking this now. Yes, look at, you see, I just pick it side by side and I stop there. I did not extend my hand. I did not extend the pleat, sorry. Look at, I still move the 70%. I use my neck to hold down to push back so that my pleat can come out well. Look at, and I secure it with pin. So far I'm tying for myself, I have to secure whatever I'm doing with pin. Yes, look at the way I bring the 70% out. Yeah, the first pleat I pick at that side, I hold it down with with pin, sorry. Just watch the way I am packing. I'm pleating that side again. Look at, I did the same thing I did for the other side at this side again. Yeah, just watch and see. It's not easy to do voiceover. Sometimes you'll be speaking nonsense. Look at, I pick, I adjust, I pick and adjust. Look at, I twist the excess one, the remaining one, I twisted it. Yes, look at, I'll use the 30%. Yeah, I'll use that 30% to knot it at the back. Yeah, let me turn my back so that you can see the way I'm knotting it. Look at the way I knot it. Yes, I won't knot it too hard because I'll still push and pull out to arrange. The second one, I just put it like that. Look at, yeah, I release that pin I used to hold the other side out. Look at, see, I adjust. Yes, see the way I'm pushing that one out. I pull it out, sorry. Look at the way I pull it out. That is why I did not knot it too hard. Look at, look at, yeah, see the gilly. Yes, look at, the gele is soft. That is why the pleating is not even standing well. Imagine that is those hard one. You see the beauty of this gele. Look at, look at, so simple. Look at the back. Yeah, you know, when you are tying, there's not how you can see your back. Yeah, but this is fine. Look at, very beauty. Yeah. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me grow my channel. Like my video. Thank you.